So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day for Monday on GBPUSD. Now, first and foremost, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new to this channel and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, take a look at this GBP here, guys. We can see, like we said, we are in a down bearish move, right? GBP is literally dropping. It's a bearish move. Now, let's start from here for analysis. If this is seen as our low, and here is our lower high, this is also seen as our lower low. Now, this is the lower high. Market was able to drop to form a new lower low, and this is the lower high. Now that market has given us a lower high, market eventually give us a lower low. Now, what we should be expecting next on GBPUSD will be a lower high. So this lower high should be a little bit of a bullish move. So just expect a little bit of a pullback, which is a lower high on your 4-hour time frame. As you can see it, right, this is the low. Let's say this is the lower low, and this is your lower high. This is also your lower low, right? Now expect market to give you a pullback, which will be lower high. Once market gives you the pullback, which is a lower high, then one more drop will most likely going to pay out again on GBP. So just expect a pullback and one more drop for you. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel in order for you not to miss out on the updates. And also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.